Bella, say hello. Hello. Okay, guys. Just a special video for you guys. I'm having my one-on-one executive training, which includes my training on advanced level, a special one-on-one 1 minute strategy. This can enable you to be able to make over $1 million every month. Yes, over $3,000 every month. Now, the requirements are quite simple. Read below in the description below, and for your information, this will be the last month, September, that I'm going to be running a one-on-one training for 50,000. From October, it's going to be 100K. So if you've been looking for this opportunity, kindly opt in right now while it's just 50K. Now, it's my basic training is 50K. My advanced training with special feature of mentoring you for more than 2 months to be able to hand over $1 million. Now, it's not something that happened all of a sudden. It's a process. You have to allow yourself to be trained, to be tutored, follow instruction, be an abiding student, and you'll be able to get result faster. Some students 1 month, 1 week, 2 weeks, they catch up. Some 1 month, 2 months before they catch up. So everybody's not the same. But will you be able to make daily profit? Will you be able to make profit using small capital? You don't need big capital. You don't need big money. You can start with as low as 10,000 naira. Yes, with as low as 10,000 naira. But you see, what you're going to be learning is the process of how to make the money. Now, I only have spot for like I think 4 people. It's for 10 people. 6 people already signed up. Remaining 4 slots. Now, these 4 slots, all you need to do to get involved is the earlier you register, the better it is for you, because it's only just 4 slots remaining. I don't really need to do any advert. I don't run advert for this one-on-one training. I don't run advert for it. So be mindful. Many people want to take advantage of it. I think you should, if you could now. Then the registration closes on or before 9th of September. And also, I'm running a promo which ends on the 1st of September. So you guys should take advantage of all these things, because sooner or later, even if you are begging or saying stuff, I'll just refer you to my YouTube channel for the free training. God bless you and have a wonderful week ahead. God bless you.